Now, Emmanuel Christian Academy are on the verge of securing a semi-final spot from Zone B in the JISA Canopy Insurance Under-12 Alberga Cup, after registering their second win in the quarterfinals on Wednesday. Emmanuel, who started the zone with a 3-0 win over Reach Academy, made it back-to-back wins after beating Liberty Academy 2-0. Captain Xander Pagan got the opening goal in the 3rd minute, while Kian Thomas made it 2-0 in stoppage time. Liberty now have a win and a draw from their 2 outings.
It was a tough game. We were prepared for this game. We've played Liberty before. They got the better of us in the knockout. So over the Christmas holiday, we did a lot of work with the boys. The boys understood the assignment today, and I thought they did extremely well. This Liberty team is a tough team.
We want to continue. This is our 4th season working together, me and the coach. And 3 previous seasons we exited at this exact point. Lost the 2nd game of the quarterfinals. So we want to get past it this time.
Now, Reach bounced back from their opening round defeat to beat Vaz Prep 6-0. Reach were up 3-0 after 22 minutes, courtesy of 2 goals from Daniel Moss and 1 from Liam Whittle, who took his tally of goals to 10. An own goal in the 36th made it 4-0 before Quan Ricketts in the 39th and Mason Clark on the stroke of full time completed the rout as Vaz suffered their 2nd defeat in a row.
We started the game very slow. You know, the boys gradually got into the game, starting to put the ball down, play the ball around. We got lots of chances. The score could have been way more than what you've seen here. But the boys put the ball down, played some nice football, and we got some beautiful goals as a result.
In other games, the Lanneman's Prep defeated St. Peter and Paul 2-0, and Crystal House Jamaica edged St. Andrew Prep 2-1 in Zone A. Over in Zone C, Hillel Academy stopped Creative Kids 2-0, while it ended 1-1 between Mona Prep and St. Hugh's Prep.